Hi guys, I was just, scrolling around Amazon and look what I found. I had no idea they had anything like this, but it's called a plant propagation station. So it has like little test tubes that you put little cuttings of plants in, and then the roots will grow and then you can plant those. So let's open up the box and see what it looks like. Okay, I just unwrapped it. So it's got a cool wooden base here. Each test tube comes wrapped up like this in protective foam, so they're not gonna break. And look at that, they give you one extra tube just in case you do break one. So that's pretty neat. A lot of times you don't get the extra spare parts, if something breaks. It also comes with a bottle brush here, so you can clean them, and then reuse them. So, ooh, I almost broke it myself. Let me go find some cuttings and put some water in here and see what it looks like. Okay, I decided that I'm going to propagate some basil. So I just took some cuttings. The internet said like 4-inch stems, and then fill it with water. And let's see how this works out. I'm sure it'll work out great. This is pretty cool. And if you want to get into propagating some plants, go ahead and get this. It looks awesome. Thanks.